Common Bisaya expressions. Por vida. Por vida is a calque of Spanish por vida, used to express anger, irritation, disappointment, annoyance, and contempt. For example, por vida kagahi bas ulo nimo, or in English, you're such an hard-headed. Puhon. Puhon means God willing or hopefully. This expression is said when you are hoping something will happen in the future. For example, Puhon makabot ra gihapon nako akong mga pangandoy. Hopefully one day I can reach all my dreams. Pag sure uy, sure uy. This is indirectly asking someone if he or she is certain about something or to clarify something. For example, guwapa lagi kaayo ka ay, you are so beautiful. Ha? Pag sure oy. Sure oy. Puriyagaba. Puriyagaba is one of those Bisaya expression that don't have an English translation. But for Bisayan people, the expression means to sway bad karma. For example, iyang batasan ba kay puryagaba kaayo? Talking about someone's bad attitude. Puryabuyag. This expression is common to say when someone is praised. For Bisaya, it is to avoid misfortune on the praised one. For example, ka-cute aning bataa uy. Oh, what a cute baby. Puryabuyag, a mom or a grandma will say. Tabi-tabi po, tabi apo. Is used to say when you're in a forest, river, or any place near a nature. Bisaya believe there is someone else or elements that is living in the forest, rivers, or any place in the nature. So to avoid disturbing them or accidentally step on them, they pay respect by saying tabi-tabi po or tabi apo. It's like saying excuse me. For example, walking to forest. Tabi apo, muagi mi. Kanang kuan. These are universal Bisayan terms. It can either be a noun or a verb. This is typically used if a person can't specify something or figure out the right words. Example, kanang si kuan ba kay kuan good, that person did pait, paita is also an expression of disappointment or sadness. It's based on the root word pait, which means bitter. Example, the price of the corn dropped to 8 pesos per kilo. Farmers, pagkapaita, haslang paita. Bitaw. These have no literal meanings. These words used as an expression to argue on. But you can also combine the words by saying bitaw no. Sabadya, paghilom oy. It's a negative words but not necessarily a bad word. It literally means shut up or stop talking. Sometimes Bisaya speakers use this expression to disagree on something. Mirisi, tagam, gaba, mayra means that whatever happened to that person served him her right, usually when something bad happens. Also translated as good for you. Ambot, daambot can be used for a lot of situation. For Bisaya speakers, it literally means a person has no idea. It can also mean I have no idea or I don't care anymore. Example, unya, unsaan man ni nako ron? What will I do now? Ay da, ambot nimo. Simbako palayo. It roughly translates to God forbid, words that entail impending misfortunes. Pastilan gayud, is an expression to stress an emotion, whether good or bad. It could be annoyance, disgust, surprise, or even happiness. Example, pastilan, pagka bugoy gyud nimong bataa ka. You're such a naughty child.